severe thunderstorm capable
Wait,
of
hold on,
producing a
hold on, hold on.
tornado is located 8 miles north of Huntersville.
Oh,
Davidson,
bro.
at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, expects damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. This dangerous storm will be near Mooresville around 7:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Phoenixville around 7:40 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Kannapolis, China Grove, and Landis around 7:50 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Cabarrus, Argyle, Mecklenburg, and Rowan. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:45 a.m.
Well, that escalated fast.